Oh yeah, take it. Let's do that.
Cool.
No, that'd be perfect.
You
actually,
sure?
yeah, that'd be a good opportunity to solo. So right after the end of that scat section.
Sure.
Just go ahead and solo over the verse chords. That's what I'm talking about. Give us a nod when you're getting.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you a nod right now.
Okay. I've been spending way too long because I'm not gonna try to go right into lyrics. People are gonna go bananas.
Right.
So
right.
we'll do a round, and I'll shout you out or something and give people a chance to be present to that.
Yeah.
And then I'll come in with the next verse, and it's really a broken down verse. It's just Mona hits the. I've been spending way too long. She's like in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see you clear.
Are you playing to on that? Or you just
a lot of times I just lay out, or
cool.
Occasionally I'll play the one, you know.
Cool.
And then we come out of that and go into an a cappella chorus.
Sure.
And then we come back in and we jam another chorus. The girls are singing the regular chorus. I'm singing the second verse.
Okay.
And at the end of that verse, we all end on that
D7.
D7
Well, it's not a
thing.
Yeah. Well, it's not a D.
Yeah, it's an F.
F. Sorry.
Yeah. So we all in there. I'll cue it real big. Then we re-enter, and when we re-enter, we just hang out on the verse chords for a long time, and I'd say go back into the solos.
Okay, so back to the beat, all right?
Yep.
Okay, got it, easy. Yeah.
Mono comes in. Yeah, you can play around as much as you want, and then we'll get into some call and response with the audience.
Okay.
Just have fun playing around. We'll just stretch it out. After the call and response, we'll go back into one more just vocal chorus with the audience.
Yeah.
And then we'll let the audience finish. I'm yours.
Okay, cool.
And then we resolve on the B. Ooh, I will always be yours. Then we're all just like, hacking away. And then I say, Mary Jane, hit me with it 7 times. I always make up a number. And we all do. So join us on the numbers.
Okay, you got it.
It could be 11, it could be 17,
Okay.
It could be 3.
I can count.
Okay, great. Yeah, it's fun.
I hope so. It's all good, man.
That'll be a real treat.
Yeah. We'll flow, man. And like I said, it's this is a true honor to share the stage, man. It's something special. So let's just have some fun.
Great. And it's just the first time.
Automatic,
Let's not make it the only time.
Okay, you got it.
Here's my good buddy Derick Sebastian. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some. What I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Hey, hey, come on. Well, open up your mind. into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God intended right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Do you want to come in? Scooch on over close and here, come here. So they walk over, you ready? Take it now. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, so I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and man, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please, please, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause I Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.